Good morning, folks. Around this time of the year, being a college student can be pretty stressful due to all the diplomas, tests, and exams. And why not make it even more stressful by making a delicious breakfast and cooking multiple things at the same time that I have not even done before? I'm Tristan Mathers from 2nd Edition. Today, we're gonna make the beautiful classic breakfast: bacon, eggs, and toast. So baconlessly, we're just gonna start up with the classic usual meat of the breakfast, bacon. And we're gonna wanna use like 1 or 2 slices. No, actually 2 or 3 slices, because I'm feeling hungry today, and it's a weekend, so we deserve this. And before we do that, we also wanna make sure we're set onto medium. So I have a special idea, because I usually find my favorite type of bacon is the maple triple thick bacon. That's why I'm going to be using maple syrup to cook the bacon as well. Now it's time to slosh these over to the other side. Now to give our bacon a little bit of flavor with the syrup. Not too much, but just enough to kind of like, just kind of quench that flavor. It's just kind of like get all out. So when you take that first bite, it just kind of like pops in your mouth, you know what I'm saying? Smells like we're baking an excellent meal so far. I'm hungry, starving, and I can't wait. Let's taste this meal, boys. This is very food. I think for the eggs and bacon, we could use one more ingredient.
Hello. I would like to get 2 junior chickens.
Okay. Oh. And that's how you make a homemade junior chicken. I'm Tristan Mathers from 2nd Edition.